Hello again, Tim with Big River Electric. Here we have a Lincoln Ranger 10. The machine had an engine issue, wasn't allowing it to develop full RPM, thus limiting its output. It is rated for 250 amps. We've got it set up on the load bank. Let's see what she'll do. As you can see, the machine pulled almost 300 amps on the load bank. It's rated for 250. Replacing the injection pump solved the machine's issue, thus saving the customer thousands of dollars as opposed to replacing. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you again here at Big River Electric.